Welcome to Mattsskk Financial Modeling System. In this video, we will give you a general introduction to the Mattsskk Financial Modeling System. More specifically, we will explain what Mattsskk can do for you, and why we decided to build it. Then we go on to show how the system works, and finally we sum up the reasons why we think you should try it. So, let's move to the first question: what can Mattsskk do for you? Mattsskk is basically a browser-driven, future-focused modeling system. What does that mean? It means that it maintains an automated model of future financial flows, under different scenarios. We would like to stress here the words automated, and the fact that you can copy the model's assumptions or input data from one scenario to another. The model will automatically generate the full financial statements of the projected data, as if reporting actual data. So you will have P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow statements for every scenario of future flows. The reports will obviously also include actual data. The model is calibrated and tested on the actual data, and these are fed into the scenarios and the reports. As the future cash flow projections can be easily updated creating various new scenarios, the modeling system allows take informed decisions to maximize future cash flows. Finally, and as we will see, using the tool puts the generation of cash flow and company value in the center of attention, and keeps every chief officer and employee focused on them. The modeling system is not merely a planning device, but rather a management tool which we think can create real competitive advantage. Time now for the next question: why did we build this thing? Our vision is based on decades of experience in finance departments. The following statements help understand why we felt the need to build our own modeling system. If you can model your business, you understand it. You grasp the drivers, the KPIs, and the key metrics. Modeling is an important step in understanding how to optimize your business results. Budgeting is a painful exercise in a volatile world. It should be done quickly, effortlessly, and routinely, or it loses its value. Optimizing future cash flows is the name of the game. It is, however, too seldomly systematically and formally pursued. Managing the daily operations, accounting, monthly closings, etc., eats all the available time and leaves little resources to actively understand and shape the future. This is especially so when the complexity keeps rising: more companies, currencies, BUs, products, GARPs. And finally, good tools are expensive and complex to deploy, while Excel and ERPs are not up to the task once complexity increases. So we took it as our mission to build a state-of-the-art tool to facilitate the management of future cash flows, especially for companies with less resources. A tool which helps to focus relentlessly on value creation, and not on spending your cost budget before the end of the year, because otherwise you will have less resources for the next budget. When we go back to the slide which described the features of the modeling system, we can indeed see that the tool focuses on automated, scenario-based cash flow projections, as well putting the company value and cash flow generation at the center. So it seems at first glance as mission accomplished. This mission was obviously not only about cash flows and focus on company value, but also about making a tool that could cope with complexity while remaining agile, quick, and nimble. The model therefore allows for a lot of variables and dimensions, but keeps the calculations quick and allows to scale down unnecessary complications. The tool also reflects a deep desire to maintain one single model, capable of very different practices such as multi-year strategic planning, company value calculations or zero-based budgeting, but also of performing weekly cash planning, what-if simulations, or variance analysis. Avoiding the hassle of moving data in and out of the different models feels like luxury and saves quite some time. So, we clearly built Mattsskk to solve some of the problems we encountered in past working experiences. We wanted a tool that can handle more complexity, by extending the calculation speed and data handling features of Excel spreadsheets, while at the same time keeping it affordable and easy to deploy. A tool that automates operations and is based on tables, rather than spreadsheets. A tool that calculates and serves the data necessary to keep stakeholders accountable for their actions and decisions. and a tool that lets you tailor the complexity of the models to the exact business needs. About this last point, as there is full control of the app, and about 75% of the logic will be common to all implementations, the last 25% can really be tailored to the business logic of the sector or the individual company. All this of course sounds very nice, but how does it actually work?